Here is your full explanation again, clear plus complete. Now including how they work and the best ETFs for long-term investing. How a Bitcoin ETF works. A Bitcoin ETF is a fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin. The company buys and holds Bitcoin or Bitcoin-related assets, and you buy shares on the stock market. You don't own Bitcoin directly, the ETF owns it for you. Your money goes up when Bitcoin price rises and goes down when it falls. You mainly earn from price growth capital gain. It is easy to invest because you don't need a crypto wallet. However, it is very volatile and risky. Forbes. How a real estate ETF works. A real estate ETF invests in real estate companies and properties like malls, offices, apartments. Most include REITs, companies that earn money from rent. You buy shares and the fund earns money from rent income. Property value increase. You make money from dividends, regular income. Long-term growth. It is generally more stable and less risky than crypto. Long-term differences statement form. A Bitcoin ETF is high risk but high return potential, while a real estate ETF is moderate risk with steady returns. A Bitcoin ETF can grow very fast or crash quickly, while a real estate ETF grows slowly over time. A Bitcoin ETF is very volatile, while a real estate ETF is more stable and predictable. A Bitcoin ETF does not pay regular income, while a real estate ETF pays dividends consistently. A Bitcoin ETF depends on the crypto market, while a real estate ETF depends on the property market and rental income. A Bitcoin ETF is best for aggressive investors, while a real estate ETF is best for long-term stability and income. Best Bitcoin ETFs for long-term investment. Here are some of the top and most trusted Bitcoin ETFs. 1. iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, one of the largest and most popular Bitcoin ETFs. Managed by BlackRock, very strong reputation. Low fee, high liquidity, easy to buy, sell. The Motley Fool +1. 2. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. Trusted company Fidelity. Strong security and custody system. Good for long-term investors. Kiplinger. 3. Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. Low-cost option. Focused on pure Bitcoin exposure. Good for beginners and long-term holding. B. E. B. T. F. 4. ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF. Focus on growth. Higher risk but strong long-term potential. ARK Invest. Best real estate ETFs for long-term investment. Here are top real estate ETFs, stable plus income focus. 1. Vanguard Real Estate ETF. One of the best and most popular. Invests in many REITs. Strong long-term performance and dividends. 2. Schwab US REIT ETF. Low fees. Good diversification. Stable income. 3. iShares US Real Estate ETF. Large and diversified. Reliable dividend income. 4. Real Estate Select Sector SPDR Fund. Focus on top real estate companies. Good for steady long-term growth. Simple final conclusion. Choose Bitcoin ETF if you want. Gives high growth but high risk and patience needed. Choose real estate ETF if you want. Gives steady income plus long-term stability. It's OB. Thanks.